Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney bot on Discord. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. There are two ways on how to use Midjourney bot on Discord. Option 1, you can either join the Midjourney bot server or add the bot to your own server by clicking the add to server option from the Midjourney bot in their server. The only one thing you have to do is type / and imagine in the text box to create a prompt. Put different words you want the bot to generate for the image. Then press enter. You will have to wait for a moment as the image generates until it finishes. You can click the image to make it bigger or click on the original to help it in the web browser. You can also save a copy of your image. Then there is also an option for you to upscale and make variations to any of the images by clicking the option below to adjust image based on your preference. And that's it. Hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.